Hi Shamrocks, this is Mrs. Kolchuk. I just wanted to show you how you could use library resources to prepare to take the ACT or the SAT. So we're going to get started at the main Catholic Central homepage here, just catholicentral.net. From here, you're going to go to the Academic tab. You're going to move up to Learning Resources and go ahead and click on that. And then on this page, you're going to scroll down to where you see Library Resources, and you'll click right here where it says View Library Resources. And this, of course, takes you to the main Catholic Central Library homepage. If you haven't already done so, please just go ahead and bookmark this for yourself to make it really easy to get back to and to find these resources later on. So we're going to be looking at a couple of database resources today. So we're going to click on this tab here. The first one we're going to look at comes from CC, and that's our Peterson's test prep database. So I'm going to go ahead and click right here. If you're doing this from home, it is going to ask you for a password, and your password is going to be Shamrock. If you're new to this database, I would encourage you to go ahead and sign up for an account. This will guarantee that you'll get access to all of the resources in this database. And not only that, once you are signed in, it will save your progress so that you can go back to any of the resources at a later date and continue your progress. So I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log myself in. And to find the ACT and SAT prep materials, we're going to go to Browse Menu. The Improve a Test Score is where we want to be. We're going to navigate down to where it says College Prep. And here we go. Here's your ACT and your SAT materials. So when you click there, you can see that for the ACT, they offer an online course as well as practice tests. And for the SAT, they once again have a course as well as practice tests. So feel free to use any of these resources. They are free to you. And like I said, once you've created your account, the database will save your progress, making it very easy for you to go back in and pick up right where you left off. Actually, it'll be under this My Resources tab here, so you'll be able to click on that and get back to where you left off. If you've gone through everything here and want some more help, or you just want to see what else there is out there, if we go back to our database page, I want you to click on this widget here for MEL. MEL stands for the Michigan E-Library. These are resources free to us through the state of Michigan. So it is an e-resource that we're looking for today, so I'm going to go ahead and click there. And this is what we want right here under Browse All E-Resources. We want to access their Learning Express library database. So this database will also have a lot of the same resources that Peterson's does. If you go to the College Admissions and Test Prep section, here is your ACT and SAT prep materials. So you can select what you're looking for. And just like we saw through Peterson's, if you want to dig into these, you are going to need to sign in or register with them so that they can keep track of your progress. So there are some more materials here. So you might want to use this in conjunction with what we saw from Peterson's, but feel free to play around and take full advantage of it. If you guys have any questions about how to use any of these databases, feel free to come see me in the Learning Commons and I can walk you through them so you can understand what's going on. If you can't get in to see me, if it's not convenient, my email address is right here. So feel free to send me an email explaining what the problem is, and I will try to help you through it via email if that works better for you. So good luck on your exam prep, guys, and please come see me if you have any questions. Thank you.